In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text. Then paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, select Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now, if you want to pin it, you need to hold it and use pin icon. If you won't pin it, it will disappear after an hour. So make sure to do that if you want to paste it after some time. It's all over here if you wish to ever read some notes. Now, to unpin it, hold it and tap on unpin. You can also hold it and tap on paste if you want to, instead of tapping on it. Now, if you want to edit your pin, instead of pasting it all over again, just hold it, choose edit, and change whatever you wish. Then hit save. If you want to delete it, swipe it to the right, to the left, or hold it and use delete. Last but not least, if you want to manage multiple things at once, use this pen at the top right corner, click on all clips you want to manage and decide if you want to pin them or delete them. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!